So yesterday I have given uh, an example of car as an abstract class. Same example I will take. See how we are building abstract class. We use the keyword. Abstract is a keyword. Abstract class car. That's all. So abstract class is ready. And now I want to take one variable here. Int registration number. You can take like this. Some number I have taken. Registration number. And then I want to go with a constructor in that. So you can take a constructor also, car, parameterized car, RGMO. Some parameterized constructor I have taken in that. What I do is this dot. I do one thing. If required, I will do this. Just tell that what I will do. So what I plan is I will first of all go with void fill tank. So for every car, it is a common feature. Same procedure will be there. Filling tank. That's why this is a concrete method. First of all, this is an abstract class which I have taken. And then this is a concrete method which I am going with. Yesterday we had a definition of concrete method also. Method with the body. Yes, some code is there inside that. So simple code, nothing great. So what does fill tank mean? Any car, same procedure. Open the lid or open the cap or something like that. Open the lid and fill with fuel. Same procedure for any car. So I kept here. Why we need abstract class also, you can understand this program to some extent. See, at the end only you can understand. First see, one concrete method is there and a couple of abstract methods I want to define. Here are the abstract methods without body. Abstract methods. One is, and whenever you want to go with an abstract method, we have to use the keyword abstract again. Abstract void steering, because some cars use, old cars use generally manual steering. New cars, every car nowadays is with power steering. So different cars, that's why I don't want to confirm here. Similarly, braking system is also different from car to car. So that's why whichever differences are there from car to car, those features I am making as abstract. If you want to have some good idea on this program, what I am doing, so I'm going to divide into two different methods. So while taking car case, different types of cars are there, but there is one common feature for every car, that is fill tank. So whichever is the common procedure for any tank, any car, that I am taking as a concrete method. So here fill tank is common. Whichever brand car we take, filling fuel is common. Fuel is required. It may be gas or diesel or petrol, whatever it may be. So it is mandatory. So a common feature for all cars. So I am putting that common code here as concrete method. But some features are there where they differ from car to car. These are the two cases. One is steering, the other one is braking. Right. And now let me close the abstract class. And better I go with the constructor also. I want to deal with the registration number also. Let me take int registration. Every car will be having a registration number. Inside code, what I do is this dot, you know the meaning of this. This dot registration number is equal to registration number. Why we write like this? We had this case before. when I defined about, when I did talk about inner class, we used this operator somewhere, right? Because see, there is one registered number here and another registered number inside parameterized constructor. But this registered number is having little life. So some argument will be passed into this registered number, but it has to be available to other parts of the code. So this registered number is assigned to the other registered number. Both names are same. How to uh, come out of confusion, ambiguity, by saying this. This refers to current object. Current object means this object. So into that object, this registered number is passed into this registered number. Okay. So this is the abstract class. I'm saving this program. See, save as. There is no main method in this program. You cannot execute this. You can only compile this. But this program is linked with some other programs that we will see soon. Programs, abstract classes. In that, what is the name of the class? Car. Car dot Java. Done. This program is done. Don't execute this. You can only compile this program. If you compile, dot class file will be created for car. That for sure. See, I will compile this. CMD. Prints the right. Java is car dot Java. We can compile this. But if you execute this, what will happen? See, if I execute this, what will happen? Where is main method? There is no main method. It is hinting to you. See, it is giving hint to you. Main method not found in class car. Very clear. You can easily understand what is lacking in your program. What is the error? Main method not found in class car. Please define the main method like this. It is giving you total support. Please give like this. It is begging. Public static void main string JS. So we are missing that. We know that intentionally we have not done that. We have not given main method. Okay, fine. But dot class file is created. Fine, that is enough. Now let me create another program, because yesterday I told you one point. What is that? See, how to design abstract class. Point number one. Abstract class consists of 0 or more abstract methods. Yes, there are a couple of abstract methods. It's an abstract. That's why it's an abstract class. It can also have concrete methods. There are two concrete methods. One is parameterized constructor and another one is a non-static method. These are concrete methods and couple of abstract methods. So that is the code. Nothing happening in this program. Now I will open another program. I will write another program, in fact. So what is that program? Yesterday I told you one important point. Please observe that. I will show you that notes again. See how to create an abstract class, that we have done right now, and where to define those abstract methods. Braking and steering are there, no? Steering and braking. Where to define? In some other class. And it should be a child class. By extending the abstract class means in some other class is going to be a child class for abstract class. Please remember, some other class which you are now going to create is going to be a child class for abstract class. Got that? Yes. So let us create another class. Class Maruti. Different branded cars we take. Let us say this is old Maruti car. Class Maruti extends car. Extends car. Yes, you can now see subclassing is done. Subclass is Maruti. Superclass is car. Means in this Maruti car, I am going to define those abstract methods. And let me go with a constructor in that. Maruti in registration number Inside, I am going to write like this. What is the meaning of this? I will tell you once the program is completed. Till then, it's a suspense. So superclass constructor will be invoked if you do like this. What is that? I will explain. Don't worry. Superclass. End of the program, I will explain this. Superclass constructor invoked will be invoked like that. What is that superclass? I will discuss. What is that constructor and all these things we will see. Okay, leave it. Now I want to display the registration number. System dot out dot ln Maruti's registration number is registration is concatenation. Now, the main intention of this subclass, this child class, is nothing but subclass means child class, or other name is derived class. Yeah, the main intention of creating this child class for abstract class car is to define those abstract methods. So, what are those abstract methods? Again, you need not write abstract because you want to define them. One is steering. One is steering. Inside steering, I want to put some message system dot because we are dealing with Maruti. What is the kind of steering it has? We will define here. Maruti uses manual steering. Old Maruti, let us suppose manual steering. Real-time projects will be something like this only. Maruti uses manual steering. Take the key and start the car. Take the key and start the car. Yeah. Next, one more is there. What is that? One more abstract method, void braking. These two are not defined in abstract class, but now in the subclass is the area where you need to define them. So this is the right place where you need to define them. So one more time, I will display one message for this also. Maruti uses hydraulic brakes. Hydraulic brakes. Suppose I not remember, maybe Maruti uses hydraulic brakes. Apply brake to stop the car. That's it. So this code is also done. Let me close this class. Class name is Maruti. No main method in this program also. You can only compile. Okay. Let us save the program as Maruti dot because your class name is Maruti. Same name we have to save. Done. Same code I will copy, but do some changes and go with Santro this time. Here, in place of Maruti, let me go with Santro this time. Okay, Santro. So wherever Maruti is there, let us write Santro. And here also Santro's registration number. Santro's registration number. Santro uses power steering. Let us say Santro uses power steering. It is in the code. Remaining same. Here also braking. Santro uses air brakes. Gas brakes. Santro uses air brakes. Apply brake to stop the car. Only little differences in the code. Let us save this program also. Santro dot. I cannot execute Maruti and Santro classes. Both can be only compiled. Let us compile first Maruti. Yes, we can compile. Another dot class file will be created. You can see, yes, car dot java file. Just సార్ కొంచెం ఒక హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ తర్వాత చెప్పండి చెప్పండి చెప్పండి. అయ్యో నేను సెలవు పెట్టానే. Okay, right. Sorry for that. So we have created Maruti dot class and also car dot class. What about Santro? That also we need to compile. Santro also we will compile. C space Santro dot Java. Done. Yes, one more dot class file is created. You can see, yes, Santro dot class done, Maruti dot class, car dot class. Three dot class files created because three compilations we had. One is car, Maruti, and Santro, but no execution till now. So main method, for the sake of main method, I will create another, what I say, another program where main method is present. So what are the programs we have done? Car, Santro, and Maruti. Right. I will explain again, don't worry. First, let me complete this. Yes, this is a big one. You have to carefully understand. Now, very simple. First class is car. Right? First, I have designed car class like this. And for car class, there are two child classes. Car is the parent class. And moreover, it is abstract. See, this is abstract class. And then for car class, two children are there. One is Maruti, one child. The other child is Santro. Is it not? The other child is Santro. Two children. That's why you can check the code. See, Maruti extends. See, class Maruti extends car. Who is the parent class for Maruti? Car. Similarly, Santro also same story. Car Santro extends car. Same parent for Santro also done. But inside that, steering and braking definitions are different. Okay, right. Now we will write another class where main method is present. Where main method is present. Class use car. in this void. Only for the sake of main method, we are writing this. Yes. Like that. First job is, let us create object for Maruti and Santro. My question, let me check how far you remembered your concept on yesterday. Can I create object to abstract class? What is the abstract class name? First of all, tell me. What is the abstract class name?
Use car.
Abstract class. Use car ippudu rastunnanu. Just now I am writing use car. What is the abstract class name? See here. Comment kuda pettanu ikkada. What is the
Car.
abstract class name? Then how can you say use car? So use car. Use car is the class where main method is present. Use car is the class where main method is present. Right? So car is the abstract class. My question is, can I create object to car class? Tell me. Any one of you?
No,
No. Yesterday I told na theory. What is that theory telling you? We
we
cannot
cannot
create object
grant
to.
to class.
Yes. See this point. Where is that? Somewhere I mentioned down the line. Yes.
Yes, yes,
We cannot create. Last point yesterday.
yes, current.
Yes, we cannot create object. Then what can we do? We can create.
Reference. We can
Yes,
share
same
reference.
thing I will do. Same thing I will do. Car C. What about Maruti? Can I create object for Maruti? Tell me. Is Maruti abstract class? Is Maruti abstract class or
Yes,
not?
sir.
No. Where is abstract keyword here? Any abstract అని చెప్పి రాసానా ఇక్కడ ఏమన్నా? ఇట్లా రాసానా?
No.
లేదు
రాలేదు కదా?
మారుతి అబ్స్ట్రాక్ట్
It is not an abstract class. Abstract class is something odd. మీకు కొత్తగా కనిపిస్తుంది ఇది. ఎట్లా? Abstract class car. Whereas Maruti, no abstract. Never I never
Maruti
used
is
that key.
yes.
Yeah, it is not an abstract class. So you can create an object, no problem. Maruti M is equal to Maruti within bracket. Is there any parameterizer constructor in Maruti? Tell me. Please see this code. Is there any parameterizer constructor in Maruti class?
Parameterized.
What is constructor? It should have same name as that of class. It is also a method. Its name should be same as that of class name. Class name లాగానే ఉండాలి. అట్లా ఉందా లోపల?
లేదు, sir.
లేదు
లేదా? అరే కింద కనపట్లేదా మీకు ఇక్కడ?
ఉంది సార్.
అరే ఎట్లా ఇట్లయితే ఫస్ట్ లోనే ఉంది అది. కన్స్ట్రక్టర్ కాదా?
కన్స్ట్రక్టరే సార్.
ఇట్స్ ఎ పారామీటరైజ్డ్ కన్స్ట్రక్టర్. కన్స్ట్రక్టర్ కాన్సెప్ట్ చెప్పాను కదా. What is a constructor? Its name should be same as that of class name. How to invoke a constructor? Just create an object. Automatically constructor will be invoked. And moreover, it is a parameterized or not? Parameter unda leda?
Parameterized.
So some number you have to pass. Let me pass 9999. Okay, that is the car number, let us suppose. Okay, similarly Santro, any constructor in Santro? Santro lo unda leda constructor? అదే కాపీ చేశాను సేమ్ కోడ్ ఉందా లేదా కన్స్ట్రక్టర్ చూడండి
Only, sir. Only, sir.
సేమ్ స్టోరీ registration number is there for that also. So how to invoke that parameterizer constructor? Just pass some number. Okay, now see what I am doing. C is equal to M. Some customer came, he wants to purchase Maruti car only, old Maruti car. For example, he want to check all its features. So immediately company concerned person assigned C is equal to M. M is an object. Whose object is M?
Maruti.
Maruti object is M. So C is a reference. C is referring to M. Now see what I am doing. C dot fill tank. I'm invoking fill tank procedure. The customer can understand how to fill the tank for Maruti. So inside C, what is there? Don't forget, inside C, which object is
M.
there? So
Maruti.
Maruti,
Maruti also.
of course, filling tank is common for any car. Okay. C dot steering. Which steering will be invoked? Maruti or
Maruti.
Santro?
Maruti.
Because C is referring to,
Maruti. M.
C is just like a reference finger. The customer is referring to Maruti. I want to know Maruti features. C is referring to Maruti. So C dot steering. C lo the Maruti is there. So Maruti steering will be invoked. Similarly, C dot braking. Braking. So Maruti braking will be invoked. And then close this also. Close the main method and close the class also. Let me save this program. Use car.java. Use car.java. Yes, save.
Java.
You can compile this and can you execute this program?
Hmm.
You can execute. Main method is there.
Yes, sir.
You can execute also.
Use.
Compiled successfully. Now let us execute this because main method is there. You can execute this. Let us see whose features are going to come. Maruti or Santro?
Maruti.
Well, got it? All Maruti features come,
Maruti.
but extra information came. That is Santro features also came. Only one feature of Santro came. That is registration number came. Remaining all features, you can see Maruti uses manual
Maruti is
steering.
manual
Take
steering.
the key and start the car. Maruti uses hydraulic brakes. Apply brake to stop the car. వచ్చింది కదా?
వచ్చింది సార్.
Apply brakes and bounded. Okay, fine, no problem. So Maruti's registration number so and so. Santhros extra వచ్చింది. Now let us start. I want another customer came who is asking who is going for Santro. What shall I do? Common sense, ఏం చేయాలి? Got it?
Is equal to S semicolons.
Is correct.
Then again copy all this code. Copy, paste. Now see, this part is covering Maruti and this part is covering
Santro.
Santro also. Let us see this. Again compile and run this. Got all the car's features. First pair from
Yes.
here to here, all about Maruti only.
Santro is power steering. Take the key and straight the core.
Yes. Open the lid and again it is repeated. See. And then Santro uses power steering and everything came fine. Yes. So that is how it works. Now let us start understanding the program. Whatever I have written, forget about that code. Program execution starts from where? Main method. Is it not? We do one thing. We are starting execution. No? It will disturb us within 7 minutes. Please log in again immediately. Okay?
Yeah,
That is
okay,
better
sir.
option. Yeah, because we are starting again from the beginning.
Mm.